Hello, my name is Savio. Today we're going to understand what notes of music are. Any sort of music that you have heard till date is basically a combination of the notes of music. Notes of music could be understood as the building blocks of music. The notes of music predominantly are A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, and G sharp. A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and it goes on. On the board over here, I have written the notes of music. So, starting with A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp. The symbol which you see at the top over here is called a sharp. And I've written it here, sharp, as in the symbol. It basically has a sharper sound compared to the previous note, hence it's called a sharp. The notes A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, and G sharp they can be called as flats also, which in other words means that they have another name. So A sharp can be also called B flat. Now, why do they have these two names? If you think about it, this particular note which is here, A sharp or B flat as it's called, this note is higher to A in sound or in pitch, so it's called A sharp. Compared to B, this note would be lower in pitch, so it's called B flat. Similarly, for C sharp can also be called D flat because this note is higher than C, hence we call it C sharp. But when you compare the pitch of the sound to D, it is lower, which is why we call it D flat. So this note is called C sharp or D flat. The same for D sharp. D sharp can be called E flat because it's higher in tone or pitch to D, lower to E. Likewise for F sharp, also called G flat, and G sharp called A flat. So here you can see the symbols. This is the symbol for sharp, this is the symbol for flat. We'll do a small recap of whatever we have studied or learned till now. A simple way to remember these notes is basically you just take your English alphabets from A to G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? What you basically do is you give each of these alphabets a partner or a friend, which will be called sharps. For example, A will have a friend called A sharp. C will have a friend called C sharp. D will have a friend called D sharp. F will have a friend called F sharp. G will have G sharp. Keep in mind there are two notes who do not have any friend next to them, and that is B and E. You can remember it this way. B have no sharps. Okay? So if you think about this, B and E don't have sharps and all the other notes have sharps, you can just easily say your notes and know them on the tip of your fingers. A sharp, B has no friend, so it will have C after that. C sharp, D sharp, E, no friend, F sharp, G sharp. These are the notes of music.